Junior turn. Oh, that Jack turn, you know? Not quick Jack, but Jack Junior. Yeah. A son of the great Jack, you know? I know what them two are playing.
Relax yourself. Listen to some good music. You know, that's someone who has a dancer in a real life.
Outside, Dallas chosen. Jack Junior night. I know.
My daughter live down here with me.
Yeah.
I'm going to bring my daughter, Raquel. I'm going to bring Raquel.
Yes.
Me I'm going to bring her.
Jamaican Life Abroad TV outside again on next Tuesday night on the strip. Yeah, I strip this, you know, the reggae strip. Birmingham reggae strip. Another night we out on the block. Yeah, Dallas Tuesday. And we out to represent for Jack Jr. It's all about Jack Jr. tonight. And we outside to represent. Yeah, on the reggae strip. Dallas Tuesday, another night out on the block. Looking fruitful. Yeah, looking fruitful. Out on the reggae strip. Yeah, Birmingham reggae strip. 3 Club on 1 street. And we outside again tonight. And we jerky there. Play up a drum, let me show them where I go on. Yeah, outside, Jamaican style, see there? I jerk. Tuesday night, Dallas Tuesday, representing for Jack Jr. And we outside tonight, no doubt about it. Everything about Jamaican. See it there, we don't left it out. Jerk on a run, and it's all about that. Yeah, Jamaican Life Abroad TV outside representing for Jack Jr. Another night on the reggae strip. Mad sick head no good, and we outside, and we are represent. I see Simone just reach, sexy like nobody business, outside again, reggae strip, are we there? Yeah, ladies them are come out and them out. No doubt about it. Yeah, we're there up on the reggae strip, you know. Club Cabana. Club Cabana, we're there. Tuesday night outside. Big up yourself, DJ Spooky. Man at the moment, no doubt about it. Mad Boss. Them for know. Represent Jamaican Life Abroad TV. Represented. Alright, say no more. We're there. Reggae strip, 3 Club on 1 street. Birmingham. Birmingham, second city. Them fi know. I don't know, joke thing around here. Every Tuesday night. Tuesday night thing, you know what I mean? Just like that. Outside.
Jump Junior one. I know I'm going to it, you know what to do. I know I'm going to shut show plan answer. Turn down. Every girl a good girl.
Jack Junior, you real boss? Yeah.
Spanish Town friend them. Portmore friend them. Waterhouse friend them. Mountain View friend them. The 15th of May, Kelly Perkins. You know Kelly own of it. Now, listen. Turn up the sound. You know what? Hold on then. Jack Junior, shout Q and tell Q if you come sort out the sound, because Uncle Malone can't make that sound and turn up on her. Somebody needs to do it, because the people them in here more than the sound. Yeah, that more than the sound. You get me? It will continue sound like our jukebox. Ranker can't do nothing, Ranker don't do nothing.
Dallas Tuesday, another night on the block. Reggae Strip. Jack Juna turn. Them fi know.
Hold on.
Outside.
Anybody want to read out some flyer? Anybody want to read out some flyer? Alright, let's start with Dippy Party. Oh, Jesus.
They got squeezed up in the
Alright.
Alright.
Anytime after this, I'm going to start
Jamaican Life abroad.
People make sure to link Benita.
Get
on the tickets. You know what about this
Jamaican Life abroad.
Straight. You know, my good friend. Top.
Catch it already, man.
You know, Fair Party. You know. It is. I'm sure they know it already. The 3rd of October. You know, Benita Party. You know, the top time we are going there. You know the one here, a dance and divas, the night time here, everything good. You see it, Wiles, Love Injection 48th, 21st of April, 25th. Yeah, what's going on? We're going to talk about the put one day for Bedroom Affair. You know the one here, Nicky one. I win. Yo! Where you having a period at? 22nd. Yeah, the 22nd of May. Yeah. GG, you know, say this Friday. Say GG, you can link you and get some tickets. You know, say GG. You know what GG. But we go for night again. And so also the same night there, you know, Singer Jacob to talk to you. You know, say Ranko in there. Don't forget each and every Wednesday, you get me? Buzz ball. Scuba, knock it, we are knock it. You don't know, Gigi, when I get a knock it. 11th, you see it. So that on this Saturday coming down, Scuba Bling Party in a real life. Yeah. The 6th of June, Yama Food Earth Shop. Don't forget, food round robin, you know, say, the one year. On the 10th, you know, say, I've been done in Lacey turn. You see it in a real life. Look out for Mad Boss Round Robin, the Wednesday Round Robin, Life Changes Round Robin. You know, Mad Boss turn, the one day on the 16th. You see it. This Thursday, Friday, you know, Lollipop Thursday. 23rd of May, you know, Spanish Town and Tone Lincoln. Blackie Party, the party then. You see it. Don't forget Cooley Debbie Party. You know the one there. Don't forget Good Friend Thunder. Every girl a good girl. You know, feel year to year party, barbecue style in a real life. You see, don't forget Terror. The 4th of July, you know, a Terror party in a real life. Wanna talk to me and tell me when we can play some music. Please and thanks. You see it? Eh? Railway in tomorrow night. Yeah. Don't forget my good friends Mar Barbecue, Good Over Evil. You know the one on the 7th of August. You see it? You know what the thing go. Don't forget Nelly Tubbs, 23rd of May. You know a Nelly Tubbs party that. You see it? Eh? Yeah. No, I'm not afraid of them. I just read them out, see them when I have them. Don't forget Tiffany. You know the one here. Tiffany. The first of May. Tiffany. You know if you have food around a bit. Same way. So you go name a food. As a selector, you just read out party and say go. Sharkman party. Forever grateful. You see it? The one here, a Saturday the 25th of July. You don't know a Sharkman party. You know I think go. See it? So just look out for your party there. In a real life. Dallas Tuesday next week. A big stern. Big stern, I swear. Yeah, I'm gonna look good. Don't want to get it wrong. Yeah. Big stern. No, rock me rock. I don't want no fault come correct me. So next week, the 14th, a Siva turn. You see? So next week, a Siva round rabbit. You get me? Know that you the some known as Siva, some known as Sean. You get me? Papi friend them, August town friend them. Well, go on, everything good? Huh? Music now? Alright then, music then, sir.
Yo, it's on now. Outside, Jamaican Life Abroad TV. Yeah, representing. Yeah, the next dancehall strip and we outside.
I have some girl that fuck more girl now. I'm moving up blood clot.
No boys that don't like me. No one have to like me. Come in, no one have to like me.
The reggae strip. Outside with them. Yeah, outside for the reggae strip another night. Jamaican Life Abroad TV. Yeah, reggae strip. See what it look like? Dallas Tuesday, and we outside. See it there? That's it. Yeah, that's what it look like. Yeah. We're there. Outside. We're outside a reggae strip. Jack Junior night. We're outside and we are doing what we do. Yeah. Jamaican Life Abroad TV. Outside from the reggae strip. Outside the reggae strip. Yeah, Birmingham. Yeah.
And she knows she's done for me. Huh? She knows she's done. No.
Outside the reggae strip, you know what I mean? Birmingham. People, we out. Jack Jonah thing. Yeah, Dallas Tuesday. And we out. Yo, hey Black. We tell you already, see anything to man. Yo, no, easy man, me not get you. Black, blacks, don't come piss no blood clot. Blacks, where man? Black, yo, hey Black, yo, man. Good man. Good man. Don't be the man them though. Yo.
Remember when we show you things, that's true, right? That's how we do it. Exclusive with one, so you know it, no! We are playing some serious song before we start playing the focus on them. All of us, so you're not give us your heart no more to blood clot. That's what I need. Ready now. Sunny man! Please give up here, you know? See? Father, please! Remember, jump to the road running tonight. And a soldier. First, I'll be a people the way here, boy. Guess what? Right up. This time, they're going to punch out with a nothing. You know, I'm calling 9 night, alright? Rolling from Charlie. You know it, come on. Big bumper. Yeah. We know so we are cheap to that fork and Jack Jonah. I don't know you're somebody with Jack Jonah. We come and cut them right now. And we are celebrating them. You know what? Watch out, this Thursday. Alright? Okay, your father here. Come on. Come on. Pressure the rest of next week, I'll see what turn, alright? God! Sonny man, whatever church, man! And the party's never know about the one shirt, the one party, the one shirt. Jesus Christ. I'm not shoes right now. I'll take time and check it. You're here now. Some of them are posting in real life. Hello, Susan. So I'm going to turn up the market and listen to that. Let me know. Go on. Check the team up, Bison. Not a me, no one got a good girl. You know what I want for the party, okay? Now look at something that come to the song right now. Run it, go. Yo, mom. You must punish your friend in the spirit town. You know what? See you again. We don't care who you are. Come on, show your sign. Remember the Kumar Records right here? We don't care where you are. Exclusive. Sure. Even the man wanna kill yourself or wanna poop. What's the black for yourself for me Friday? Put it right now. Looking at my life and you will find hope. I'm a suicide doctor. Put your fucking on right now. Jump in it. Come on, team. You know what the point of that you know what are you? What rascal team on? Like a me, I know my party that's in the board. That's right, guys and diva. Everybody can be. Remember, jump to the turn up. Jump to the different style and different pattern. Jump to the what?
Tuesday. Jack Juna turn. No doubt about it. It's all about Jack. Olava. 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 Jack.
I don't get money for this buck. Alright? Please and thanks. Tony, you look like you get touch. I'm I'm in amongst nothing, you know. Alright? Everything alright? Everything good.
Yo,
Everything good.
yeah, man. What get below me, you know? Come here, boy, blood clot, you know.
Look on the clean clothes and dirty money party, yeah? And the girl themselves ain't know we know. You know 6 feet on the mud, righteous, alright? Crazy. See the girl over the high shot return. I want that good money there. Leave us a dollar. Baby, you are the style, the pattern. You can't cook, you can't clean. I good
Yeah.
Is that the right cook?
See that? Outside by the reggae strip. A reggae strip. Birmingham reggae strip. Yeah. It's like this. A Tuesday night, Dallas round robin. Then we know outside. You get me? Yeah. Everything about Jamaican. Yeah. We there. And we represent for Jamaica. Jamaican Life Abroad TV outside. Dallas Tuesday, Jack Jr. night. Yeah. We're up on the reggae strip. Then we know. Blood clot. Second city, outside Jamaican Life Abroad TV, outside I represent the Jack Jr. on the reggae strip. 3 Club and 1 Blood Clot Street, outside. Yeah, we are catch what go on, yeah. At Dallas Tuesday, every Tuesday night. It's all over. But tonight is on the reggae strip. Yeah, it's all about the reggae strip tonight. Jack Jr. turn. Outside. Yeah. No doubt about that. Jamaican style. I wish a Jamaican Life Abroad TV, and we represent for Jamaica. Real thing. See there? Jerk chicken. Then think of Jamaica alone it can go on. That go on in England too. The reggae strip. Jack Jr. turn. Dallas Tuesday, and we outside. Jamaican Life Abroad TV I represent. And then we know outside. See there? Reggae strip with the pan. Then we know it's all about Birmingham. Birmingham, second city. Then we know. It's a blood clot joke thing. Birmingham represent for blood clot England and Jamaican. Yeah, we outside. Jerk chicken, don't have a blood clot grill if you know. I don't think I draw blood clot thing. See there? We outside and we have everything. Jerk chicken, festival, steamed fish, fried fish, and every blood clot thing. Jamaican style. Elsha. Big up Elsha, because we have everything in England for Elsha. Them for know.
She don't wanna thief nor a robber. How much you like? What you like? Okay, I'll fuck you. Okay, I'll fuck. Fuck my own, you know. Okay, I'll come back here. Okay, I'll sit up around with you. What you got left? What's a look shot in there? What is up? What's a thick ass there?
see you from a mile away. Girl, you pretty happy, anything you want, you can have your way.
Pull up that. Jesus. I want to go on over there. I want to look them back there. Pull up. Marcus, you want that? Tell us it up. Good girl, put the pussy down. Remember, Batman is someone very active in the man. You know about this?
Selfish with you when I have you up. If arguments start, you're no pain.
Ready?
For me, and never try. Cocky, I'll suck it up, sweet. Tell me for me, you get in your heart. Suck it up. Some cocky, I'll suck it up, sweet.
You see this thing? Go for sure for the party them now. Good girl. Good girl, ready? Anything you ready for your party? Okay, cause I'm ready. We can't circle over St. Thomas. No. Yeah. Shake it blood clot, you know, huh?
Bad man, shut up. Bad man, shut up. Bad man, shut up. Yeah, bad man, shut up. Bad man, shut up. Yeah, bad man, shut up.
Big up the girl with the fat pump. And tune in now. We can't show you all this money stuff. You think you're on your dog, yeah? Talk to me now. I couldn't talk to me now. You want one, you want. Bye. All the pussy are moving now. You do. That's true, you know it, man. Never put me up in a face, so one thing. Put your shit up. Let's get. No play here. Yeah, sure. Why you a good girl? It's so obvious. And I've been waiting. I've been waiting patiently. I don't care nobody. Don't be scared. Moving blood clot. Go to my watching girl pussy. You know you're the party. I'm party here. Go so. Fuck off. I'm watching girl pussy. Yeah. Fuck off. Right. I don't care how I like. Them blood clot girl. You pussy tight and good, girl. And now pass you. Oh, them blood clot. You can't catch up, girl. What if you do? Me up. See you soon. You can't bend over no more, girl. When you bend over. The girl ever not hide your gear. I'm going to talk to you. I'll be a fucking leader tonight. I love you, girl. I leave you. And I'll leave you, baby. Love class. Yes, we go and that's me go on a party. Do you suck a tip on a girl? Oh, fuck, a girl a double, four pump. Glad them girl over my money now. All them a fuck them. You think me ready for fuck on a girl? When you push up this side? It was a thing like that. Doing sweet time to blood clot is a master. Jesus Christ. What does it do like King Kong? No! Next week I'll see what's on, alright? Rolling from Dumb. You gotta get know you're clean. Somebody right around the corner. And every girl can come out with not somewhere. You gotta know you see your pum clean. You can clean anything. Hey, baby. Don't get a real check for this summer. Cross boy, everything alright now. She flying. She now wear a hat now here. People in there go say, boy, spoil you. So when they get up, I'm like, spoil your food. We have been now first one, remember here? Remember John Jonathan, make it now. Good girl. You pump up with high. You like pump up with high. You pump up with high. Jumping up, stepping over, girl. You pump up with high. I'm good girl. What more you for now?
Girl, you know the answer to me.
I'm still at this. If you know me, I'm going to work with place. I want to sing up in the girl. you want. What you know, sir? I feel me a bit. I feel. When I good girl, tell him so. You see a such man like that. Remember we are about 3 minutes enough. I'll pass the water. Tell me about what. Jesus Christ. You know what the last shows, don't you? You know the woman them come out and we have to play one. All ladies. Independent party. Just fuck a girl from